Hello. Good evening. Hi. How you doing? Nice to see you, B. Hello, Aqua. Happy to see you here. Okay, but the camera isn't. Nilo says hi. Hello, Nilo. Okay, the tracking is kind of weird. The camera doesn't have a wide enough angle, but you see my arms kind of. VSCode is in front of it. Yes, the mouth moves. If you look on the right, they have the shape keys. The eyes also move. Oh. Stretching my arms. But yeah. As you can see here, yes, the mouth does move. Not that well. Well, I personally don't like the shape keys that much. I'm probably going to change them, because currently the mouth is very wide, but not much vertical opening. So it's a bit weird. It doesn't like the pupils. It doesn't know where I'm looking. That's a bit annoying. Though I probably could fix it by using VC face in between. But yeah, yeah, I'm definitely gonna exaggerate them. But like going over one here won't like work out. Like I could also stick out the tongue, but it's not. It's also not done that well because there isn't enough vertical space, so it looks a little bit weird. And I'm probably gonna have to change the insides of the mouth, maybe a bit too. I don't know. Yeah. From further away. Yeah. Gonna have to change it a bit. And also, fix stuff there and fix stuff there. Fix the shoes. We don't need to see the backside. But yeah, this was a last stream. I basically made it so that it applies all the blend shapes that the camera captures and that MediaPipe creates them. It applies them here. You can see some of them, all for the eye ones. Like these ones do work, like, but like look up though, look down, left, right. Those ones do not work because they are not being tracked. EP. I slept, how long did I sleep? 6-ish hours. I would have liked to sleep longer. Though I went to a restaurant with some family. It was pretty nice. Had some good food. I still have some leftovers. Because like I had a soup for like is it called appetizer in English? Or Speise. Well, appetizer or starter. Yeah, basically something before the main core, before the main food. Yeah, and that was already a lot. It was a tomato soup with parmesan, and like I've been a couple times to the restaurant, and like the tomato soup with parmesan is delicious. Okay. So, and as I said, today we will be diving a bit into Blender documentation. That sounds like it. Yes. Let's see. Yeah, then this vision of supplying properties, inheritance, built-in technology. Describe a simple plan which would draw the object properties section of the category VH. Let's just oh, it only registers it. Oh, okay, anyways, good night, bro. Yeah, see you, Aqua. And then probably also good night to Nilo. Anyways, see you guys around. Wait, where did I put the... Oh, there. Okay, then... Let's make another folder. Test add-on. Yes, new file. There we go. Okay, and then let's just... Here. Hmm? Where? Okay, where's the add-on now? Okay, it just doesn't look... Okay, cool. I hate having my window behind. What? I got damn YouTube behind me. Window behind me, just change my screen. Yeah. The windows are... My windows are currently in front of me, like left and right of my desk. That's why I had set it up in my room. Okay, so I cannot install this add-on. Because it's somehow... Where's like also there is no copy button here. Usually have something like that. Yeah. This is just the init for the class, like definitions, stuff that Blender would read and then show here, but it doesn't right now. Very cool. And this panel. Why can I not... Okay, weird. Is in this panel a poll and the panel draw header function? Even though the content is basic, this class resembles Blender's panel. this then also wouldn't work. Right. Tried installing this. Yeah, no. Because someone doesn't show up here. Okay. Oh, do I need to call it init? Ah, no, this is in BL info, right? Because like this is needed to like even show up inside Blender, like here in the menu. Otherwise it just won't. But yeah. And then you have to also like, actually do the registers and unregisters, but the plugin doesn't do it. Well, let's not care about registering. I'm just gonna leak memory or something, I don't know. What version am I running? 402. Why can I not... Why is this corner just like 1 pixel? Category there in the category. Right, I'm just a user. Been a while since I last listened to Rise Up. Yeah, I just have a fed red in the background. This was the orchestra version of Rise Up. Next up is the normal version of Rise Up. Okay, if I have it now and try to install this now. Yes, there you have it. Awesome. How was it in the other one? Let me check again. Dev register. And then dev unregister, and this is just delete, but I'm making classes so I can just unregister the class. Ah. Right, and then dev unregister. Object select panel. If it's eine possible based on smart individual western you Python extension. Don't care. Nice, there we go. Right. This banner has a panel pole and the banner draw header function even though the content of basic discolors use some Blender's panels. Wait. Discuss with Blender. There needs to be an apostrophe here. And this needs to be R instead of is. Get them documentation. A mix and parent class can be used to share common properties in menu pull function.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone,
Ah, cool. Draw is never.
I'll be right
Draw and draw header is never like called, so yeah.
keep holding on, keep holding
Let me just open another VS Code instance.
close to the sun, close to the sun.
This can be a bit easier. Pretty balance this.
Close to the sun.
Okay,
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain. The ones who stood for
panels main.
we won't forget.
That main panel.
The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight
ID name doesn't matter probably. Oh no, it's just switched. Okay, space type. Let's do properties. BL window region. Wait, no, what do I say? No clue where the heck it's gonna be. BL context object.
close to the sun.
BL category. Oh, category is missing. BL. Category. Test. Then. Call CLS context, which can. Whatever. Draw header. Is that ever called anywhere? Wait, no. I have to check this one. Draw header. No, they're just inside. These ones, okay. So draw header and then try layout equals self-layout except error and VSCode header, yeah, whatever. Layout is layout.
Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Config layout.column.
Getting stronger every day.
This
Keep on pushing through
is my test bar and this is that one. Okay. Let this again. Cool. layout equals self layout, box equal layout. Let's try and copy this for now. Let's comment this out, put this in. Enabled, true. And the init, it just, yeah. Why does it not create a sidebar window? Memory statistics? Oh. Just memory statistics. Print memory statistics to the console. Okay. Genau. Yeah, why does it just not work? That's what's confusing me right now. Okay, I just clicked save preferences and it just dies. Okay, great. Blender, for scripts, add-ons. What's this one? Open. Why is that just on its own? What? Okay, why is just on its own? Okay, can just go. Yeah. But what else did just like? Oh. Okay, then let's try and provide the context. Maybe then it will actually want to create. Right, it always like just got some errors. Right, okay, now it's moving smoothly again. Right, in the init, inside register. So I'm just gonna like do like 2 of these. Right back, gonna make some food. Have fun. See you in a moment. Yeah, it's just be right. Types dot scene dot test line 1 test line 2 dot test line 1 equal bpy dot props dot string property. Okay. Name test line 1 that's God, I hate tapping without being able to see the keyboard. Like they got the microphone is in front of the keyboard. I just drank something, if you didn't hear it. Right. Thing. Default, nothing. But that's not like the default is not gonna work, but whatever. How was it? No, that opens a console. No. Copy the line and Control Shift. There we go. And then in the unregister I do del bpy.types dot scene dot test line 1 del bpy.type scene dot test line 2. Cool, it did nothing. There, okay, we have some kind of error coming. Add-on utils that have tested loaded module. Test that module. Okay, don't know what's going on here. I don't know what the errors are meaning. Why do the errors have to be so confusing? Take out that line, I know. But nothing shows up. Okay, it shows current value matches no enum in event. Add-on utils disabled. Loaded. Modules installed. Test. Module changed on this. Reloading. Writing. Use it. It's great. Like, you want to try using the documentation and it's like, yeah, you already need to know the documentation. Okay, or is it just, is it like this? Does that? Could I? Why is Alt Q not working? Sometimes it just like hates me for no reason other than it hates me. Like it just doesn't wanna. Run script. Awesome, we got nothing. Like, what even? There's supposed to be happening, something happening. Something is supposed to be happening, but it's not. Nothing here either. Dimensions change. Sometimes the hair is just in the way. Okay, let's try this, but delete. do it here. Okay, at least this works. Okay, but this also just does nothing. Just amazing, ain't it? There I go. Just want to make UI. Okay, then let's try something a little different. Node edit. No, it's not in here. I think script and data editors. Serpents. Editors visual scripting editor. Shouldn't it be under any of these? Nope, some are not. There we go. Okay. Yes. What? Not that, nah. Nah, don't tell me. Did it save? Serpents. Blender. Downloads. Ah, of course. Right, check for updates there. Thank you for not checking for updates. Can I just install them? new one. Let's see. Serpent. Yes. Save. Scripting. Right. Let's save now. Interface panel. Oh wow. Yeah. Panel, test category, label, test category, test. Right. How do you use this again? Wasn't there a tutorial button? There was a tutorial button, wasn't there? Not anymore, apparently. Oh, well, is there a tutorial node? I cannot type. No. Alright, That's just those things. Just Notion. So weird. I just want to select the text and Notion just says kind of no. No, you don't. Select over 2 lines of text. Or here you can, but here not. Like. But what is this weird website? Notion. Search the script changes in your run script notes. Yeah. If there's anything that light in the Blender UI, everything contains environment is create most opens, schematic panels, other elements. I forgot another node is sub menu. Interface represent the yellow diamond socket. They are perfect sockets, meaning they follow a path to provide setting it. Perfect elements. Have one more. Now it's a display blended data. It's interfaces. Ah, hello duo. Nice to see you again. I'm currently just reading documentation. I own this add-on, so I'm better just use it. Converts. Yes. The face functions can be used. Copying them. Have you already taken your classes? Not Duo, because I've cancelled my Duolingo subscription. Because they deleted the forum. Like, why delete the forum for users to interact with each other and teach each other? Like, come on. Why delete that? And yeah. Without it, it's not really worth it. Like, I'm not gonna trust ChatGPT really to teach me language. It's ChatGPT. And even if Indonesian wasn't available for learning. Entity function. Encompass data entity function. Different things. Right, yeah, but doesn't... The face... Properties window modifier. Oh, yeah, now you can't pull out. Dashboard okay. Interface. Run interface. Blah blah. Panel. Oh, it's a panel like this. Interesting. No, frequent append. No. No, but then it's this panel, but no, I would need a whole like menu first. And this, yes. Why did it want me to? Menu. I did get this thing to working at some tutorial. Oh. Wait, is it really just C documentation? Okay. Was too loud. Okay, the problem is it doesn't show grading interface. It doesn't show any in Blender. It only shows node graph stuff, but nothing inside Blender. I don't know which one is which. It's just... Oh wow. Okay, it's broken. Okay, let me try something else. 3D add-on. Let's open here. Save. Ooh. What is going on here? Alright. Yeah, successfully compiled, but where the heck is it? Save add-on. I do save if I just gonna install up. Nice. Okay. Something like this would work. Can I just copy it and paste it into my other file? Just because I should save whatever. I'm back, welcome back, babe. Cool. This just crashes. Ah, finding out new ways every day how to crash Blend. Learning something new every day. Ay, 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 ay. Wait, that's correct. Crashing Blender any percent. Are you crashing Blender any percent? Sure. Sub D. 10. And there we go. Did it. I did it. What's my price? What's my price? That poor CPU trying to calculate the subdivision modifier of 10 subdivisions. And I just do this like a test. Okay, panel. I need to create another. Let's just open another Blender instance, clip it and ship it, boys. We do have a clipping too, but did I make this last year? Like about a month ago. Huh. Oops. Okay. There we go. panel add. Oh, there we go. That's how to do it. First off, connect. That's how you do it. There, box. Okay, this is how far I got last time. Well, name panel, test. Yeah. This is how far I got last time. But others knows, this is visual scripting in Blender. So, if you see, yeah, this is a box. And, oh, what? Wait, let me, what? Wait, no, it's the right version of Serpents. Why are there suddenly so many more nodes? And why is the UI double? Like, why is it twice blend data and console and this one? The settings. Wait. Interface. Rows. Expand. Wait. I know this can be combined, okay, but check. Okay, button, and here it's display property. Or maybe because I have this open. Right now it's just like script line. But yeah, do not quite know, separated purpose menu, label, icon gallery, enum, display. It was a property search. Interface, display property. Oh, display search. That no property connected. Icon. Oh yeah, but did you know Blender has this many icons? These are all the icons that Blender has. Right, no property connected. What's properties? You know, the whole UI is just double. Yeah, SVGs probably just. Let me save. I've kind of got it now. Here. Can I just open the menu, please? What the fuck? Wait. Oh. Why did it open in Blend 2.6? Because it don't save. Standard apps. Yo, awesome standard apps. File type. 669 is an audio file. Yeah, no, let's just search. This is an awesome search. It's very quick, as you can see. There we go. Did you see how quick the search? I have it on an SSD. Anyway, open this again. Okay, this stuff works now, and nice. Gotta speed up the workflow. But yeah, okay, so this is a box, and inside, wow. Look, look at this. Holy shit. That's a lot. And yeah, wait, if I move everything... Oh, no. That's not that long. Text, yeah, a lot of text, but yeah. Yeah, so this is a display property. A property is... serpent's property. Property. Blender... Oh, Blender property serp... Oh, Blender property would be something like... What? I clicked paste property and it just deletes itself. Okay, I have no clue what's going on with that one. Yeah, add-on from... Oh, and that's when you here you define a okay, okay. Yeah, also here then I have code, and, which is partially BPY code, an easy BPY code, not BPY. Anyway, but yeah, so that's a box. I do not need a box. I need, well, for loop. Well, how do I... I am just very confused. Property. Oh, you have to drag it out. No, that don't want that there. Oh, it's add. I clicked add node. I should have read. To key empty not found. Okay. Whatever. Because of this one. Oh, successfully compiled. Okay, panel plus then. It shows everything double again for some reason. Interface. Progress indicators. Oh, repeat. Label. Where's row? This no. Why is it not showing? So such a concept that always works. ECPPY is installed? Huh. Wait. No, okay. That is in the 3.4 folder. Yeah. If I use this, it's gonna cause problems. My brain is currently... how bad would it be? What? How bad would what be? Why is Eevee in all caps though? Using the 3.4 thing, things could have changed. So, well, ECBPY is basically... How do I say that? ECBPY basically makes functions with simpler names that have several BPY functions in them. So you have like this much text, and it's basically just one line with ECBPY. So that it's just not as much stuff that you need to write out. Yeah. It's just compresses the text. It gives you a little bit less control over it, over what you want to do, but those couple things that you do want to do with easy BPY are just much faster than like writing several lines and always like bpy.data blah 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 data blah blah blah. Yeah, things just become easier if you use easy BPY. But if you know BPY, then it's not really. Then there's not much use in having it. So, why is it? Is it because it's like bugged again or something? And yeah, if those functions that are made up in, or I can just show you, to be honest. Here, new serpent settings, install. Yeah. So, this is just info, just the imports, and yeah, for example, set render engine to cycles. Okay, well, those are just set render engine cycles, set render engine, what? Yeah, okay, these might not be good ones, but yeah. Here, render animation use view false, and by.ops.render animation equal true use view equal use view, or set resolution, or get render resolution, relist.append, relist.append, return or reslist, resolution list. or this render resolution equal blah 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 blah. There are a couple ones here. There are longer ones. Yeah, okay. Get node. This much text. Except for, or get material node. Blah 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 blah. And yeah. Just stuff. Get world nodes is also much more text. And yeah, some of these things could have changed in the time between 3.4 and 4.0. So now they wouldn't work as much anymore. Yeah, here, for example, now you can... unfold all. Yeah. Set fluid type, for example. Or this one, or fluid effector guide mode, or like you see some ones that are really long, like fluid set domain. There isn't that much in the render settings. Okay, this one is a bit longer again. Oh, here, append file. But here it's just append material, blah blah blah. This is more ones, but a link a file. Or create object. Create object, this long. Or copy object. Why is copy object this long? Okay. select object. Select all objects. Yeah, or instance object. Get objects, yeah. Stuff can just get redundant, but for safety. Yeah, and basically it's just you import this file, you do like, usually you would just do import easybby, and then you can use all of these things and without any worries, just type in set render engine ev and then you have easy peasy, but yeah. If any of these commands changed in some way, it just don't work. The big... Whoa! What is that? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the f do you make? Make it even bigger to the point that it won't fit to the... Hey. You know what, I'm just gonna write some PHP for now. Let's why is my Alt key not working? I'm pressing Alt, like Alt tab is working, but Alt instead of Blender is just not working. Alt F4 is working, but Alt Q. Why is Alt Q not working? Control Q is working. Alt W works. Apparently I didn't know this was a thing. Wait, why is Alt Q not working? Hi, menu. Alt Q, view numpad hotkeys. View num. Yeah, no, it's just not working anymore. Awesome. Okay, this is now gonna lag probably a bit more. This is funny. Okay, it's beginning to lag? What? Already or what? Is it already lagging or what? Transform. The big node. Okay. Okay. Wait, I gotta. Wait, is it even gonna work now? Yeah, it doesn't lag as much as I thought it would, which is nice. Okay. Let's see. Close that. This open again. Okay. Start Apache. Start my SQL. Okay, this works. And PHP. There we go. Okay, I can now do that. So I should be able. I now go to network. Yes! Oh my god. Could I? Okay, nice. There we go. And now we have PHP. So, the last thing I wanted to do. First, let me any add-ons to update. Nope. Right. I don't put it right here. Probably together with the header. But let's do. Hmm? This isn't working? I mean, let me check. Scroll. And BG equal VSCode. Only we're gonna go here. And BG equal. Okay. It looks gray, but or it is okay on this monitor it's gray, but on the other monitor it's like it has a bluish hue to it. How is it? Here it looks much warmer than on my other monitor. Like on this monitor it's like warm. On the middle monitor it's quite bluish, and on the right monitor, the monitor's on the left side it is. Wait. Okay, now it's just the angle which I'm looking at it that changes the hue. Awesome panels. It is IPS, but not good IPS apparently. But yeah, that's okay. The middle monitor is way too like cold in color apparently. Nicely. Okay, now I want in the top right corner. I want to put settings. Here you'd have null reader. That's left hand. Okay. Moment. Refer. Okay, just need to change something. Minimized. I just had an idea, I need to write it down. Yes. See what we did. It just wants to download the video. Hey. Add item, add item, add item. Okay. Holy. That's tough. I never want to see a node like this anywhere. Hmm. 7 minutes. Can't you just like write some code or make... you could probably just write some code to do that. It'd be funny. This button is still not working probably. It's just repeating an action, yeah. Can't you also press Shift R to repeat the action? Because like Shift R can like repeat an action, I think. Wait, fucking what? Okay, let's see. I was clicking at 12 clicks per second, not a minute. The minute or it's not the lag. the arm tracking gets weird when it's like I'm stretching, but the camera angle isn't wide enough to like catch it. Like if I have my hands here and go any wider, yeah, now it just like kind of, yeah, now it just. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? Wait. Oh. It's flipped. I was good. It works. Whatever. I was so confused for a moment. Why is it flipped? Ah, there. Okay, this is just so confusing. B? Oh, right. This is a diff with... Ah, right. I understand it. And well, this is my right hand, but currently on stream it's the left hand. Or well, it's usually I have it mirrored, just because that makes it easier for me to like do stuff and have hand and eye like the coordination. But now this is my right hand, but on screen it's the left hand for me. Even though, yeah, it is the right hand, but yeah, it's just a bit confusing. This is inside a div, and then this is something, yes. Because this doesn't have thing. Why is it? Hmm? Why is it tracking this now? What? How? Wait, what? Why is it tracking the eyes now? It didn't do that before. I'm so confused. Ew. Wait. What the fuck? What the fuck happened? Did it just... Ayo. Because Blender was minimized, it just stopped. Like when I minimize Blender, it just stops rendering in the background. That was confusing. Alright, I also cannot minimize XR Animator because then it also would lag. Ugh. Again, What? That. Wait. No, I didn't want to open this. What? It's always you gotta like open it in a. Nope. Okay, I know what happened. This makes more sense than like. Okay. I would like the settings on the right side, to be honest. Let's just keep them on the left. Like this, and then it'd probably be like this. Yeah. That, yeah. Okay. I will be right back. Hello. Oh, oh, oh. Ow. Wow. It just stretched and holy shit, I haven't stretched like that before. Okay. Oy. I just ate also some pizza. Some of the leftover I had from earlier. And I need to check. How's the... Okay, if I have it here, it's here. My eyes look here, and if I have it here, okay. So it does track the eyes quite well. Because now I'm looking on my second screen, which is like off to the side. Now I'm looking on the main screen. But now I have my head turned to the main screen, but looking off to the other side, yeah. Okay. That's actually working quite well. I don't know why it never worked before. But it's quite nice to know that the eye tracking is actually working. I thought like, why is the character always looking at the camera? I thought like, did I enable some setting or something? Yeah, no, that's how... Yes, but earlier it wasn't tracking the eyes. It wasn't like... You can see here, eye look, these eye look values were all 0. All of them were 0. But now if I look like to the right, it actually does it. And also left, up. Like, you can actually see these values changing. Earlier they were just always at 0. Okay. Maybe it was where you were looking at the camera. No, then they wouldn't be completely 0. They would be like a 0 point some number decimal places, like 10 decimal places, and then e to the power of -6. Or like, yeah, to the power of -6. Because it wouldn't be a perfect 0. Brain ain't raining right now. Oops. Is it? It's ever didn't use them to reset. Oh, like what? Is my brain not burning? It's just not burning. That's also amazing, like the whole body just moves. Anyway, replace it. What do you mean replace it? What do you want to replace? Okay, anyway, your brain. I don't think that would work too well. I think your L, right? Can I see what the file? Every file. Right, right, so this here is basically just this one line. This search, I mean, does it maintain? Yeah. Call this upper of the every functional. Okay, it just misunderstood me here. Yes. Right. Then this blah. This is just this echo. Quite well. Right, and I would want ideally to then copy this. If there is a background color in the URL, I would want to append it also to these ones here. Like I do, for example, here. href, then open PHP tag, and imaging tag. Okay, or I pop-up stuff. Script. Create text bits and buttons and different redundant of the text bit. JavaScript. Submission purely for PHP, but you can just certainly to serve. It's important to note PHP as a server-side language, which means when only process data after a form has been submitted, the data has been sent to the server. This inherently requires the page to reload or a form submission to the server to process the import. Yes. If I'm just on a main page. Oh, look how quickly this page loads, reloads even. Like, bam, 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 bam. Page loads so goddamn quickly. Oh. Have you, the thing is, this is not a, this is a lot of text. This is a lot of text. Like, damn. This is a lot of text, and just look how quickly it just loads this. Oh, beautiful. That's why I'm making the... that's why I'm making this, because I just want the website to load quickly. So I'm basically just like making a writing HTML, PHP, a little bit of CSS. Like this little bit of CSS already makes it look quite nice, to be honest. I could even take this CSS and just put it actually into this file because it's only needed here. I should probably do that, because then my CSS file would be smaller and it would only load this or like download it to the user's client if it's on the chapter page. Okay, anyway, basic example of how you can create a form with text data and a button in HTML. Use PHP. The process form submission. This example will demonstrate how to change the background color of the page based on the color code submitted through the form. Settings. Right, I had... okay, it has a body closing tag, so I don't need a body closing tag here. Because it's included in this file. And then just gets appended here. Just inside body, not inside main. Okay. Wait, why did it do the indent wrong? Don't need that, to be honest with you. Right, I can also do text color. Ooh. Settings. Awesome, it doesn't apply anything. Wait, oops, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hex code. I could do enter color code, hex color. Let's do that. Explanation. This PHP script generates an HTML page with a form. This form includes a text, the input field for the user, and submit button to apply to change. Yes, that's there, but it doesn't work. When the form is submitted, the PHP code script checks if the request method is post. If so, it retrieves the color code from the post array. The color code is then used to dynamically generate a CSS rule. Yes, okay. Is this? Yes, that is correct. Oh, does this override it accidentally? What if I, can I do this? Yeah. Does this accidentally? FF. A. Right. DD. Apply. It. Resend. Main page settings. Okay. Okay. something is wrong. Because this should... It only worked once. Why did it only work once? No, it didn't work at all, did it? It didn't work at all. Because I commented this out, so yes, is this percent and FF. Yeah. It's not doing anything at all, and if I just comment this out and just do like 0, apply, it's just gonna be white. Yeah, so it doesn't do anything. Cool. I was just thought of it because I used white as a test. So it retrieves the color code from the post array. If the post request method is color code from the post array, yes. Gcolor. Label for color code? Wait. Oh. Color code needs to be updated to HG color. A. Nope. Is it still this here? So now it's white. A. Like 0. Nice. So FF. Red. Yeah. Okay. I need to make a reset button. Or like write default code in your FBF3EA. Yeah, there we are back to default. But now that works. Yeah. So I don't necessarily need this anymore. The background color, yes. Red. I can also make it green. 00FF00 or 0000FF. Or do you want FF00FF? Or how about 880088? Let's do 99FF. 0099? Kinda. FBF. F. Can I click on FBF 3EA? But yeah, in this settings page I can put a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Oh, I get it. I want to do it. The app up, down, left, right, AV, Easter egg, and make a change. This. How would you do that? Or do you just want me to put like check if the post request is dead? Nah. The thing is, what I want for this is to be as light a rate as possible. That's why I'm using PHP instead of JavaScript, because JavaScript just fucking lags everything. Because if you look here, recent, look how quickly this loaded. Finish 113 milliseconds, 88 milliseconds, 80 milliseconds, 85 milliseconds. This thing loads so quickly, like, because there is no script. It doesn't need any Like, let me show you a website. Where I read some stuff. Okay, this reloads quickly, but if you look here, if we go to network, it's not even finished yet. It's 5 seconds and it has not finished loading the website. It's still loading things on the website. It is like, let's look at the size. Because the thing is, if you're on a metered connection, if you only have that much data in a month, for example, like 300 megabytes, like you're loading this website once and using a couple megabytes to load the website. Like 8 megabytes. In my opinion, this is too much to load one web page. That's kind of why I wanna just have fun making this. Just see like how easy is it to actually make a good, fast loading website that doesn't use a lot of bandwidth. JavaScript, not Java. JavaScript and Java are different things. Very confusing. Because they're named the fucking same, just one has script at the end. But yeah, they aren't the same. JavaScript is a client-side or programming language that runs in a browser. Java can also run in your browser. Interesting. Yes, Java is made by Oracle. JavaScript is made by... yeah, whoever had problems. No, I've never done JavaScript. I just hate JavaScript. I've never touched it. And I'm gonna keep... oh yeah. And I'm gonna keep it that way. I am never gonna touch JavaScript. Or at least I don't. Yeah, probably. I don't know. I will see. Don't die. No worries, no worries. HTML special characters. Convert special characters to HTML entities. Oh, okay. Interesting. Well, who knows? Not me right now. But it seems when I do like F and enter and go to line patch settings, okay, it keeps it for the duration of no FBF3 EA. What? What? Okay, no, that is confusing. Why does it keep it for one page, but then just suddenly... That's just... Yeah, no, this is so confusing. Okay, let's just try this session start thing. To have the selected color always appended to the LL in the current session, even after navigating away from the current page, you can use PHP sessions. PHP sessions allows you to store data that can be accessed across multiple pages during a user's visit to a page. Yes, you can modify the settings of the PHP page to store the selected color in a session variable that appended to the URL for subsequent page load. At the very beginning of a PHP script, before any HTML output, start the session. The form is submitted, so deselected. Um, okay. It should be included in the pitch and new information. Yes, the session whenever. Yeah, but it's important to understand how sessions work. Make sure that session persistence, once the session is started, persists across multiple requests from the same browser until the session expires, so it's normally used throughout. This means if the user visits any page that triggers session start, the session will automatically continue to exist for the duration of the user's browsing session, assuming no explicit session distraction occurs. Time multiple sessions. Calling a session start multiple times within the same session on different pages does not start a new session. Okay, good. Instead, it continues the existing session. This behavior is designed to prevent accidental creation of multiple sessions for the same user. Yes, that is very good. Security considerations for a session. Starting a session in code is convenient. It's to ensure that your session management practices are secure. For instance, you should generate the session ID after certain actions like login to mitigate session fixation attacks. Also consider setting appropriate session timeouts and using secure cookies. I am not using any cookies. Here's an example of how you might include PHP in another file, ensuring that session start is called at the beginning of every page load. Okay. By structuring the application this way, you ensure that session start is called at the beginning of every page load, maintaining session continuity across your site. Just remember to manage your session securely to protect user data. Okay. So PHP session start. There we go. Hey. Okay. Store the color in a session variable. Interesting. I'm wondering right now when Siren is gonna stream. I wanna just stream later. Ooh. Brain stop braining. 2.5 hours. Okay, let's just get through this right now. Let me just make it bigger so I can read it better. I don't have to focus that hard. When the form is submitted, source is selected color in a session variable. Color code. Okay, so wait, what? So session. Nice. Okay. Worked. Append the color to the URL. Whenever you generate links to other pages, check if the session variable is set and append the color code to the URL. So I do not want to... Okay, actually don't want to echo this because I currently have a style here, which is on the whole body, but I actually don't... Wait, where's the session start in here? I don't... Okay. Session start is here, that is good enough. Right, because here does that already style, so let's take this and just put it here. This, wait, no, I do still need settings. There's a title. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Okay, got everything in order again. I hate it. I hate this. Most of the time I accidentally press like 2 and then I don't notice for like a second or two and I just have a lot of 2s because I don't notice my fingers are getting heavy. I'm just pressing the buttons. Okay. So then here I would want to uncomment this again. And the style gets echoed again. Right, because the style was only being used on this page. Right, and style and... right, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, and then here I would want to PHP echo is set. Oh my god, this is a long one. So wow, okay, so inside this one I want to put this one. What? I think I just want to put this on another line to be echo. It echoes is set determine if a variable is declared and is different than null. No, I don't do that here. I need to do it here somewhere in here. Okay, right. I need this. Right, okay, I don't need to put echo, I just need to... Or do I need to echo the session? If it's a session variable, do I need to echo that? No, I don't have to append it to the URL because I already have it as a session variable. But only if the user goes to the settings page. And anytime the session is stopped, you would need to set it again. So I kinda do want to encode it in the URL, but if I do encode it in the URL, then I always have to put this thing here, which is fun. Why does it have a class even? Why does it have a class? What? Yeah, no. I could take this one out too. And then I would just have this and I would have 6 Wait, this is the text color, right? Yeah, okay. And then I would have 6 lines of goddamn CSS to like style the whole website, which would be nice. Okay, so if you code a website, then there's no need to pay for it? Well, no, you only code it, you still need to host the website somewhere. You can host it on your own computer, but I wouldn't want to do that. And you also need to port forward, and I currently have an IPv6 address, so I cannot port forward. Because fucking IPv6, so I cannot actually host it only locally. Because currently this website is actually only loaded on my laptop, but I can access it on my desktop. But yeah, yeah. So if this exists, no, this is, it would be BG color, and this would just be BG. Right, but I would have to do this for every page. Oh, yeah. So what I do is I host it on Namecheap. This website. Here I have this shared hosting thing, which is like, I have it. Yearly billing would be fucking cheap, like, but this is yearly, so I have monthly, so I pay around this much. And then you also need still the domain. Like, I don't know how you would become a domain registrar, but yeah, you also need a domain, which is this one. Currently, as you can see, they are slightly different background colors. This one is somehow more green, I think? This feels more green. I don't know. Yeah. And yeah, this one isn't, if you look at them, genres are still missing. I need to somehow get, like, look at the lines here and the lines here. The line width is just somehow so much bigger. I don't know why. Or line height. Line height, not line width. Line height, right? Could I? Wait, what? Wait, what? Why is it? There we go. Yeah, so that and... yeah, that. So instead of doing it in the CSS, I could do it right inside here, and then ordered list style line height 1. That's the right line height 1. Yes, okay. That's the right syntax. So yeah. Yeah, and then and a lot of PHP with SQL queries. I can't apply a style to the order list itself. I don't want to... I want to recreate the Phind page with control Shift R. Yeah. That is a little annoying. Where is that? It does not if I do like a... Right, waste. Alright, and now this seemed to work for some reason. I can't insert a style into the order list. I can have a style here and then change the line height to like 10. And that works. I wish I could just change it on the order list. Okay, let me just try it here. Style line height 1. Let's see. Oops, no. That worked. So this worked, and then if I do this just 1 and do that now. Yeah, no. This is so confusing. I can only override it if the number is bigger. Should I? I think I should just create the... It's so annoying. Just just want it to work. I just put it here. Probably not. Yeah, no. Nothing. Ah. Yeah, here it also works, but one doesn't work. It's just 1.5. I know how to override the CSS with the bit. Okay, but I got caught up on the damn CSS right now. Wait, comma? When? Okay, I accidentally put the comma there myself. Okay. I'm just gonna format it weirdly. Anyway, it's like, that's on this, blah 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 blah. Cause at the end here, this I need to put this. And the indenting is effed up. Otherwise, can just not do this. Wait. Semicolon expected. Okay, PHP. I don't know when I can just do this or when I need to do PHP. But yeah, like this, it would include the session ID here for each, or no, not the background color for each chapter. Wait, no, it. Do I need to put the and? I think so. I think I need to put the and there because the this, yeah, and then afterwards I need to put and some. Maybe, I don't know. I actually do not know. I probably have done it in Kopf. This. Okay, and then one. And then I would need to do for each chapter. Oh god. What did I? Here. Let's go here. Okay. Okay. Let's just try. Anyway, Then this one, this one. Then here I would have to do this again. Hmm. And this, God. 90 city only. Mhm. Hey. Let's quickly append the color to the URL wherever you generate links to the page. Just check if the session variable is set and append the color code to the URL. Right, that's a bit annoying, but yeah. Here's the color code from the URL or session on other websites. Please check if the color is present in the URL. If not, use the session variable. Right, so so here I would just wanna always use that one. FBF free EA. Right, because if they're visiting for the first time, I would still want to set some kind of color. Okay. Yep. This station X redirect to that from this. PG color? No, no, this is stupid. This is in the cup.php anyway. No, that's the same, and then it's just header, location, settings, PHP. Yep. Exit. Yes, and here, and then this is the other pages. At the beginning of the script, along this window for Mr. Minute, these are the color code is stored in a session variable. The page then redirects to itself to avoid resubmission issues. This in practice when dealing with PHP perform submissions in PHP. The page icon color is set based on the session variable. If the session variable is not set white, links to other pages, check if the variable. Okay. Let's check. That is not what I did. Why is the background color that color? Yeah, that's just a text color. No? Oh, it's... Why are there two? Yeah, no, now it's correct. Where did it get... Ah. Right, because I didn't want to have so many hashtags, so I just did that. Yeah, and if I just open it in a private, it's that color. If I do that, apply, yeah, reload. If I... No, not that. Ech! No! What? Alter! Schei... FB. Yes, yes. Then... Let me try another color. Okay, white, yes. Okay. Ach, der heilige Scheiße. Oops. What happened here? Has to happen here. Yes. Okay, that is not good. That's the long URL. Okay, if I press Ctrl Shift F, it just keeps it like that. If I close that, that's just also... Yeah, no, that... Wait, that was just... That, Let's close that real quick. That, and then just open Firefox again. And go back here. It's still red. Why is it still red? Oh, whatever. It seems like the session persists between browser changes, or browser like restarts, which is weird. Wait. Ah. Okay. Just did this. Did that, and let's just do this, and there it's completely white. Oh. Nice. Okay, so I can override. Oop. I can override that from here. Okay. Okay. But, I think for today. Yeah, I think for today I'm actually gonna call it. Just gonna work on this a bit more off stream probably, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, anyway. For now, I will be going. Thanks for hanging out. And yeah. I hope you had fun. I had fun today. 3 hours of fun. Even though part of it was frustrating, but oh well, I had fun. Yeah. Okay, thank you all. And see you. I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I do not know. Anyway, bye. That's nice to hear. Thank you. I appreciate it.